In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up pre-orders on Squarespace. Whether you're launching a new product or simply want to gauge customer interest before production, pre-orders can be a highly effective way to manage this process. To begin, navigate to your Squarespace homepage. This is your command center and starting point for various configurations you might wish to implement. Once you're there, direct your attention to the left-hand side, where you'll find a menu. Here, you'll want to select Products and Services. By clicking this option, you're accessing the section of your website where all your products are managed, making it essential for setting up any new items you want to include for pre-order. Next, locate and click on the Products tab. Doing so will take you to the Products Management page where you can view and manage your inventory. Now it's time to add your new product. Simply click on Add Product. This action will initiate the setup for a new item in your store. When presented with the options for product types, select Download. This choice indicates that your product is not yet available for physical shipment, perfect for our pre-order setup. Once you've selected the appropriate option, you'll be prompted to provide details about your product. This section is crucial, as clear and descriptive information can help manage customer expectations and drive interest. Fill in relevant details including the product name, a compelling description, and, if available, the expected release date or shipping window. After completing the product details, the next vital step is filling up your forms. Filling out forms accurately ensures that all necessary information is collected and maintained properly. This might include details such as pricing, which should reflect its pre-order status, and any variants if your product comes in different sizes or colors. Now, let's bring your product to life visually by inserting an image. A high-quality image can significantly enhance the appeal of your product, and is crucial for convincing potential customers during the pre-order phase. With the product visually attractive, you need to head over to the inventory section. This is where you determine how many pre-orders you are willing to accept. Often, pre-order model caps the available orders based on initial stock projections, so make sure to set these numbers realistically. Next, organize your product efficiently. This setup will influence how it appears on your site, which can affect the customer journey significantly. Following this, focus on setting up the selling tools. Selling tools might include promotional settings or special discounts for early buyers, providing additional incentives for pre-ordering. Lastly, after reviewing all your settings and confirming they align with your business strategy, click Save or Publish. This final step officially adds your product as a pre-order item in your store, ready for excited customers to make their reservation. And there you have it. You've successfully set up pre-orders on Squarespace, a strategic move that can enhance your business's product rollout plan. Remember to check back regularly to manage orders and communicate with your customers about their pre-orders, ensuring a seamless experience from start to finish.